अरे बच्चों, नाजीज एंड द राइज ऑफ हिटलर के अंतर्गत आज आपको अमेरिकन एंट्री इन द सेकेंड वर्ल्ड वार के बारे में पढ़ाने जा रहे हैं। हिटलर का जीवन परिचय आपने पढ़ा है, उसके बारे में आपको बताया, उसका बायोडाटा क्या रहा, संक्षिप्त जानकारी आपको दी थी। आज सेकेंड वर्ल्ड वार में अमेरिका जब युद्ध में आया तो जर्मनी की हालत और गंभीर हो गई और वह चारों ओर युद्ध से घिर गया। इसी के बारे में आगे आप पढ़ा रहे हैं। देखिए किताब के अनुसार क्या कहता है लेखक राइटर। अमेरिका हैड बीन ट्राइंग टू कीप अवे फ्रॉम द सेकेंड वर्ल्ड वार। अमेरिका पहले चाह रहा था कि हम सेकेंड वर्ल्ड वार से दूर रहें, लेकिन ऐसा नहीं हो पाया। अमेरिका डिड नॉट वांट टू रिपीट द प्रॉब्लम फॉर इटसेल्फ what it had suffered in the First World War, but it could not remain aloof from the Second World War for long. In the East, Japan had been increasing its strength. Japan had occupied French Indochina, Colombia, Laos, and Vietnam, and it was planning to attack on the American naval base in the Pacific Ocean. When the Japan extended its support to Hitler and targeted the American base at the Pearl Harbor with bombs, America had to join the Second War. This war ended with the Hitler's defeat and the dropping of American atom bomb at the Japanese city of हिरोशिमा। इसके आगे पपेट गवर्नमेंट क्या है? ए गवर्नमेंट विच वर्क इंस्ट्रक्टेड बाय अदर्स एंड नो सेंस ऑफ राइट एंड द रॉन्ग ऑन इट्स ओन। पर्ल हार्बर, दिस इज ए फेमस पोर्ट ऑफ अमेरिका। द रूल्स ऑफ द हवाई आइसलैंड अकॉर्डेड permission to the state of America in 1887 to set up a ship repair center and the unload. In 19 it became a naval base. On the 7th December 1941, when peace talks were going on in Washington, the Japanese war aircraft attacked on the Pearl Harbor. About 2,500 soldiers were killed in this attack. This attack obliged America to join the Second World War. The Nazis' worldview. The crime that Hitler and his supporters committed were linked to a set of beliefs, values, and a typical behavior. Hitler and his Nazi supporters had their own view of the world. According to this view, all the societies were not equal. They were either good or less good in racial ranking. They thought that the blonde Nordic German Aryans were superior to all, while the Jews deserved hatred. The Jews were supposed to be anti-race and the arch enemies of the Aryans. All others were placed somewhere between the Aryans and the Jews according to their complexion and feature. This racist view of Hitler was based on the theories of the thinkers like Charles Darwin and Herbert Spencer. Darwin was a natural scientist who attempted to explain the evolution of plants and animals through the concept of development and natural selection. Later, Herbert Spencer advanced the idea of the survival of the fittest. According to this theory, only such species as could adapt themselves to changing climatic conditions would survive on the earth. Darwin called the theory of the selection purely natural and never accepted the idea of human intervention in this process. However, these racist thinkers and politicians took the support of the Darwinian theory to justify their imperial rule over the conquered societies. The rationale of the racist was simple. The strongest race will survive, the weaker ones will perish. The Aryan race was the finest, they should retain their purity, must acquire strength and vanquish the whole world. The Hitler's theory of living space and geopolitical concept. According to Hitler, it was essential to capture more and more territories for his own people to settle. The thought that it would also enlarge the area of his mother country and it would also make it easy for those who settle in new place to retain their close link with the place of their birth. According to Hitler, the more resources and strength could be acquired for German nation. Hitler wanted to extend the German boundaries eastwards so that all the Germans could be concerted geographically at a single place. Poland was turned into a laboratory for this concept. Nordic German Aryan. Who Nordic German Aryans? One branch of those classified as Aryans, they lived in North European countries and had German or related origin. Blonde, those having blue eyes and golden hair, person, blonde person. थैंक यू, धन्यवाद।